Hello, genius. Welcome to the loft. Did you know there is only one secret to weight loss? Medical science has proven 95% of dieters regain the weight within 5 years. But there is hope. Research has also verified that those who keep a food journal lose weight and keep it off. Keeping a nutritional record can improve those behaviors associated with mindless eating. Have you ever lost a few pounds, then celebrated with a treat day, only to have the scale slowly creep back up? Most of us have been there. We can agree being on that hamster wheel is no fun. This weight loss journey is not easy, but it is so worth it. So, here's the number one tip to help you change your relationship with food. It worked for me, and so I'm sharing it with you. The simple secret to weight loss and maintenance is writing it down. Yes, writing it down. Writing it down empowers you to help yourself. You learn your strengths and your weaknesses. When you know your strengths and your weaknesses, it allows you to make informed decisions. When you start paying attention, you will learn so much more about yourself. For instance, I used to snack on marshmallows while watching TV. After I stopped mindlessly eating, I discovered I don't even like marshmallows. Keeping a food journal is not about dieting, but rather making lifestyle choices that work for you. Simple Mindful Weight Loss is a food journal I wrote for myself. It was so beneficial, I modified it for you in hopes that you may stop and pay attention to your life. Even if you don't use Simple Mindful Weight Loss, you still have to write it down. If you don't write it down, you're not serious about your health. So right now, in this moment, make the decision to live a healthier life. Make the decision to take control of your life. You may ask why we're talking about weight loss on an education channel. Well, this channel is a deep immersive learning practice, and your health affects your ability to learn. I have put Simple Mindful Weight Loss and other reference material below. Don't wait for tomorrow to start your weight loss journey. Do it right now. So if you find this helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wishing you peace and blessings as you go about your day.